that we created today on the 16th of November 2022. This is Maunulantie and Volkswagen 19 staircase Jeep. It is one of 8 staircases, but all of them are Generic, unfortunately. It was built in 1972 and modernized in 2012. The cylinder is H28 328. Completely on a circumcision.
Yeah.
But still has partly original machine.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. And all the 10 other ones we also don't need because they were badly modernized by cases.
Yeah.
Too bad 18 were like this here.
Yeah.
KSS and Generic. But there are some more in Maunula ones that we can check. Go to the other ones.
Yeah.
You best these 4 persons of 20 grams. And we also filmed some MPN8 and MPN6 here in Chile also.
Yeah.
So Maunula is not completely bad, but there's too much of Generic in Maunula.
Yeah.
KSS too much.
Yeah. Inspected by Vice and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. That's it.
That's